Sub YouTube family, is your man Young Carlos here from Kickclusive. Today we got another exclusive video like always, so make sure to give us a like or comment down below what you want to see up next. So as you can see, let's get to the shoe of the day. Here we got nothing different, just a regular Yeezy 350 box. So let's see what's inside. So here we got the new Yeezy 350 Butters, are set to release June 30th. You gotta love the colorway on these, something different. They remind me of the old white Yeezys, but with a blue / light green tint to it. So let's show you the triple white. On camera, they kind of look similar. You know, probably pictures you guys see online, you'd be like, oh, these looks like the white. But side by side and in person, they're totally different. Let's put these away and let's get back to these shoes. So you got some darker green laces compared to the shoe. Give it a nice contrast. In the insole, it's a nice, almost mint green with the white back. Inside, nothing different. The laces match the heel tab on the back. Same green, pretty cool. You got the cool thing I like on the back, the back piece, and on the soles is almost like a peach color. A very nice contrast. You got the Adidas tag on the side. These are a must cop, definitely beautiful for the summer. So I suggest you come get these. You know, now with all the rumors speculating saying the Yeezys are gonna be mass produced, little insider, the quantity on these are gonna be at the Bread V2 level. So these are actually gonna be less quantity than the blue tints and the Beluga 2.0s. These right now resell for around $400 to $500. Definitely grab your pair. I see these after release date going up or actually staying around the same. I don't think these will drop that much. Up next, more quality pick and unfilled review. Enjoy.